In the heart of California, a mansion stands, its doors and stairs leading nowhere. We delve into the secrets of the Winchester Mystery House. This sprawling mansion, steeped in mystery and myth, is the subject of today's exploration. As part of our Wednesday series, we're peeling back the layers of contemporary myths and urban legends, unearthing the enigmatic tales they hold. Welcome to another episode of Arcane Anthology, where we unravel the unsolvable. Opening. The mastermind behind this architectural anomaly was Sarah Winchester, heiress to the Winchester rifle fortune. Sarah Winchester was not just an heiress, but a woman of profound mystery. Born in 1839, she was the belle of New Haven, Connecticut. Her life took an unexpected turn when she married into the Winchester family, famous for their Winchester repeating rifles, often referred to as the gun that won the West. Her marriage to William Wirt Winchester brought her immense fortune, but also unimaginable sorrow. Their only child, Annie, died just a few weeks after birth, leaving Sarah heartbroken. 15 years later, William passed away from tuberculosis, plunging Sarah into deep despair. But the tragedies didn't end there. The Winchester rifles, the source of her wealth, were also the harbingers of death and destruction. Many believed that Sarah was haunted by the spirits of those killed by the Winchester rifles, a belief Sarah herself came to share. Haunted by her past, Sarah sought advice from a medium who told her to move west and build a home for the spirits. And so, in 1886, she purchased an unfinished farmhouse in San Jose, California, and began an unending construction project that would last until her death in 1922. This wasn't just any construction project. The house was a labyrinth of rooms with doors opening into walls, staircases leading nowhere, and windows overlooking other rooms. It was said that Sarah was trying to confuse the spirits that haunted her. The house grew to a staggering 7 stories high, with 160 rooms, 2 basements, and 3 elevators. Sarah was as enigmatic as the house she built. She held nightly seances to receive instructions from the spirits on the house's construction. Her obsession with the number 13 is seen throughout the house, from the 13 bathrooms to the 13 steps on many of the staircases. Closing. Haunted by her past, Sarah embarked on a construction project unlike any other. This tale of sorrow, wealth, and mystery is embodied in the Winchester Mystery House, a testament to one woman's attempt to reconcile with the spirits of the past. The Winchester House is a labyrinth of the bizarre, with staircases leading to ceilings and doors opening onto walls. In the heart of California stands an architectural marvel, a testament to one woman's enmeshment with the supernatural. The Winchester Mystery House, as it's aptly named, is an endless enigma that refuses to be solved. Its peculiar features are a reflection of its equally peculiar creator, Sarah Winchester. Sarah Winchester, heiress to the Winchester rifle fortune, seemed to have an unusual fascination with the bizarre. She filled her mansion with oddities that baffle visitors to this day. Staircases that climb 7 steps up and 13 steps down, doors that open to solid walls, and windows that look into other rooms rather than outside. The house was in a state of continuous construction for 38 years. It's said that Sarah Winchester would hold nightly seances to receive building instructions from the spirits. As a result, the house grew to a mind-boggling size, with 160 rooms, 40 stairways, and over 10,000 windows. But it's not just the size that's baffling, it's the lack of any logical plan. Rooms are built on top of each other, with stairs that lead nowhere and doors that open into thin air. It's as if the house was designed to confuse and disorient, perhaps to ward off malevolent spirits. Every corner of the house whispers a tale of mystery and the unexplainable. Over the years, the house has sparked numerous theories and legends. Some say that Sarah Winchester was haunted by the spirits of those fallen by the Winchester rifles, and she constructed the house as an endless maze to confuse and appease these restless entities. Others suggest a more pragmatic explanation, arguing that Sarah, a woman of considerable wealth and intellect, was merely indulging in architectural experimentation, pushing the boundaries of design and construction. There are those who believe in the supernatural, claiming that Sarah was guided by a psychic who instructed her to build continuously to atone for the bloodshed caused by the Winchester rifles. Yet there are skeptics who dismiss these theories as mere urban legends, born out of the intrigue surrounding the mansion's eccentric design and Sarah's reclusive lifestyle. The house today stands as a symbol of the unknown, attracting thousands of visitors every year. The enduring mystery of the Winchester House continues to fascinate and perplex. This architectural labyrinth, with its staircases to nowhere and doors opening into walls, is more than just a house. It's a testament to an enigma that refuses to be solved. Its history, shrouded in sorrow and the supernatural, fuels our curiosity. Was it guilt, madness, or a genuine belief in the supernatural that compelled Sarah Winchester to build such a house? The answer remains locked in the walls of the Winchester Mystery House. The Winchester Mystery House, a testament to the unexplained, continues to intrigue. We invite you to share your thoughts, perhaps even visit this architectural marvel. Don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing stories. Join us again on Arcane Anthology as we explore another enigma. Until then, keep questioning, keep exploring.